Nothingness could be best described as absence or a state of non-existence. In scientific terms it can be defined as, before the Big Bang there was nothing. Grammatically nothingness means something. Why? Well, because it is a noun. Since we know nouns refer to something, then we can say that nothingness is a thing by itself. Nothing has an attribute. In a sentence we can say there is nothing in that room, which can be rephrased as that room is empty, or everything that was in that room is gone. In philosophy, the negative, which is on the contrary of itself, offers itself to the positive. The positive to the degree assures itself. The significance of this position from nothingness follows an outcome of the proposition into which a philosopher agrees with. Some philosophers avoid the New World to a point of nothingness, while others say that nothingness can also be described as foolish. For us to speak about nothing, then something must be in existence. In a state of nothingness there can be no motion. That nothingness is the opposition of something. When the car passes it goes through nothing, making the emptiness to go backwards, hence the car has moved the emptiness. Different cultures understand nothingness differently. Buddhists say that it is only in the mind. If your dreams do not come true, it does not mean you are nothing. Another example is, when one attempts to shoot a bird, he relaxes for a moment saying that he has a better focus. This makes us more intensity that without doing this, our conscious thinking would not help us achieve our goals. For us to grasp nothing, or nothingness, then there must be something. When we count numbers, we always assume that nothing has any particular meaning. However, when we continue counting we find that zero, which we assume is nothing, changes after a period of time. According to science, when we say there is nothing, that does not make sense. To give a good example, when we say that a place is a vacuum, that means that matter is not present. However, we know for sure that constructing something, without the presence of matter, is impossible because of gravity. Therefore, if a region of that nature existed, then that means, nothing would be something of distinguished importance in quantum mechanical vacuum. Whenever we write nothing on a computer, the computer EUROS processor will always write something to recognize it as a function.